There's a car. Get out. Over here.
No!
It's an off-road truck. There's a car.
You hear me, front wheels are doing that?
Yeah, that's just the thing.
That's normal.
Oh, that happens.
One of them was weak, one of them was.
Maria Lane, don't go down as far as you did.
Oh, guys, not in the neighbor's yard. Come on.
Yeah, it
I'll wear
is.
that battery, please.
Yeah, and it was out here during the rain even, you know?
I have a full load in it right now, folks.
Haha, you can't fit here. He drives good.
Okay, stop. You want to give Ezra a turn driving?
I always turn there.
I know, it's Ezra's turn though now.
Let's give Ezra a turn to drive.
Yeah, my turn. Then it's a Ford.
It's a Ford, yeah, it's a Ford truck.
It's a Bronco.
It's a Bronco truck. Marie,
Ezra, you might have to get out and get over.
where's Ezra?
Boys.
Ezra, you gotta come see it, dude.
Shift it into reverse, which is all the way backwards. Nope, down. 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 And then hit the gas a little bit.
I'm turning the wheel on.
And then, no, go back just a little bit more, baby. A little bit more. Now stop. Now put it into drive. Yeah, and then turn the wheel all the way that way.
I know, all the way.
No.
Stop. Take your foot off the gas. All right, put it back in reverse. You know where reverse is? Okay. There you go. All right, we're gonna touch that.
Hey!
Oh, it did.